There is nothing quite like the feeling of a brand new living space. Nitesh and Sanjana are proud new owners of this beautiful home. Let's look at their place and sophisticated touch given by the entire team of In360. As we enter, the first thing you will notice is simple yet striking foyer unit, crafted in the shade of dove grey and pine wood in a matte finish. We have also kept one open shelf with spotlights so that family can put their antiques displayed here. This entire foyer is made handleless and we have paired it up with a golden tone textured wallpaper. For the living area, we designed a walnut and pine colored TV unit to contrast with the cream color scheme of the space. False ceiling has been designed and a peripheral structure, giving the space a minimalistic look. The wall-mounted TV panel in the living room has been designed using a mix of suede and high-gloss laminates. Nitesh and Sanjana wanted their kitchen to be designed in their favorite color. So we went with a royal blue suede laminate for the space and paired it with teak wood, giving the kitchen a muted brightness without overpowering the eyes. For backsplash and quartz, we have used white color to give kitchen a bigger look. If you are wondering how to use dark and light tones together, well, now you know. This entire space has G-profile chrome finish handles which is giving kitchen a sleek look. We have also added spotlights with frosted glass in top shelves and hidden strip lights that illuminates the kitchen perfectly. Master bedroom blends rustic design with a very classic formal look. We've also added an elegant wallpaper to pair up with the room's color scheme. We have designed hinged wardrobes using textured and solid color laminates. Now moving on to guest bedroom. This space has everything in terms of utility, including dresser, study table and wardrobes. This small room creates a calming and peaceful aura. We have designed this room in beige and earthy tone, which is making it look subtly detailed and exceedingly elegant. And there you have it, a contemporary home for a modern family. We'll see you again soon with a new home.